Thyroid disorders are common. In fact, about 12% of people will experience abnormal thyroid function at some point during their lives. Women are 8 times more likely to develop a thyroid disorder than men. Also, thyroid problems increase with age and may affect adults differently than children. The thyroid is a small, butterfly-shaped gland that drapes across the front of your windpipe. If you place your fingers on the sides of your Adam's apple and swallow, you'll feel your thyroid gland sliding under your fingers. It releases thyroid hormone, which controls the growth and metabolism of essentially every part of your body. Hypothyroidism, or low thyroid, can cause a variety of signs and symptoms. This video will help you recognize and understand these effects. Feeling tired. One of the most common symptoms of hypothyroidism is feeling worn out. Thyroid hormone controls energy balance and can influence whether you feel ready to go or ready to nap. In one study, 138 adults with hypothyroidism experienced physical exhaustion and reduced activity. They also reported low motivation and feeling mentally tired. Low thyroid individuals feel unrested, even though they may be sleeping more. The thyroid hormone is like a gas pedal for energy and metabolism. Low thyroid hormone levels leave you feeling drained. Gaining weight. When thyroid levels are low, metabolism switches modes. Instead of burning calories for growth and activity, the amount of energy you use at rest, or your basal metabolic rate, decreases. As a result, your body tends to store more calories from the diet than fat. Because of this, low thyroid hormone levels can cause weight gain, even if the number of calories eaten remains constant. Hypothyroidism signals the body to eat more, store calories, and burn fewer calories. This combination leads to weight gain. Feeling cold. Low levels of thyroid hormone cause you to feel colder than others around you. About 40% of low thyroid individuals feel more sensitive to cold than usual. If you've always wanted the room warmer than the people you live and work with, this may just be the way you are built. But if you've noticed yourself feeling colder than normal lately, it could be a sign of hypothyroidism. Aches in muscles and joints. Low thyroid hormone flips the metabolic switch toward catabolism, which is when the body breaks down body tissues like muscle for energy. During catabolism, muscle strength decreases, potentially leading to feelings of weakness. The process of breaking down muscle tissue can also lead to aching. Low levels of thyroid hormone slow down your metabolism and can cause painful muscle breakdown. Hair loss. Like most cells, hair follicles are regulated by thyroid hormone. Because hair follicles have stem cells that have a short lifespan and rapid turnover, they are more sensitive to low thyroid levels than other tissues. Low thyroid hormone causes hair follicles to stop regenerating, resulting in hair loss. This will typically improve when the thyroid issue is treated. Low thyroid hormone affects rapidly growing cells like hair follicles. This can cause hair loss and coarsen of the hair. Depressed. Hypothyroidism is linked to depression. The reasons for this are unclear, but it might be a mental symptom of an overall decrease in energy and health. 64% of women and 57% of men with hypothyroidism report feelings of depression. About the same percentage of men and women also experience anxiety. Hypothyroidism can cause depression and anxiety. These conditions are shown to improve with thyroid hormone replacement.